Are you ready to turbocharge your job hunt and leave the competition behind? In this episode of the AI Easy Button, we'll reveal the secret weapon used by top candidates to land their dream management positions. Stay tuned to uncover the AI-powered strategies that will revolutionize your job search. Let's look at some ways that job hunters seeking management positions can use ChatGPT to gain a competitive edge. Tailoring your resume. In the competitive world of management, a tailored resume is crucial. ChatGPT can help you create one that highlights your management skills and achievements. Here are a couple of example prompts. Help you write a professional summary for a senior operations manager with 15 years of experience in retail. Optimize for online job search platforms. Suggest quantifiable accomplishments to showcase my success as an operations manager. Customize your resume for specific management roles by providing the job description and asking ChatGPT for suggestions. Here's a job description for a supply chain manager position. Help me tailor my resume to match this role. Number 2. Crafting persuasive cover letters per management roles. A well-written and persuasive cover letter can set you apart from other applicants. ChatGPT can help you draft a compelling, personalized cover letter that demonstrates your leadership skills. Help me write a cover letter for a director of sales position at ABC Company. I have 10 years of experience in sales management and a history of exceeding revenue targets. Use ChatGPT to refine your cover letter and make it even more powerful. ChatGPT, can you help me make this paragraph of my cover letter more engaging and emphasize my management experience? Number 3. Acing management interviews. Job interviews for management positions can be challenging. Use ChatGPT to prepare for common interview questions and improve your responses. ChatGPT provide a list of common interview questions and examples of good answers for a senior operations manager role. Number 4. Expanding your management network. Networking is crucial for finding management job opportunities. ChatGPT can help you initiate conversations and build relationships on professional platforms like LinkedIn or Twitter. ChatGPT helped me craft a message to connect with an executive at my dream company on LinkedIn. ChatGPT suggests conversation starters to engage with senior leaders in my industry on Twitter. Number 5. Reflecting on feedback and staying motivated. Rejections and feedback are a part of the job hunting process. ChatGPT can help you analyze feedback to identify areas for improvement and maintain motivation. ChatGPT helped me analyze this feedback email from a company I interviewed with and suggest ways I can improve for future management interviews. ChatGPT give me some motivating words to keep me inspired during my management job search. So there it is. 5 ways that ChatGPT is an invaluable resource for job hunters seeking management positions. With its assistance in tailoring your resume and cover letter, acing interviews, networking effectively, and staying motivated, you'll be well prepared to land your dream management role. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, subscribe to the AI Easy Button channel and drop a comment to let us know that you subscribed. We love our subscribers and we'll do our best to respond. We'll also let you know when other AI-related tips and tricks that you might like is posted. Good luck with your job search, and we'll see you in the next episode.